And Celtic will stand together in their call for more action to be taken against vile racist abuse. This transcends a football rivalry utterly and totally. The time has come for proper change. McGregor. Perfect pass for Edouard. Immediate cross. And Elianusi is there. And Celtic have the lead on Derby Day in Glasgow. And maybe they are planning a loss. His Derby Day has come at last. His first Old Firm goal in a season that keeps on giving for Rangers.
It just had to be, didn't it? It had to happen. It's amazing. Again, great delivery in. And brilliant from Barisic. The one thing he's got, wonderful quality. I think is it Balogun that wins the header. Balogun comes in. Effectively is trying to hit the back post. And Morelos comes in like all good centre forwards, Andy. We've seen it 100 times. Just arriving at the correct time into that area. It's amazing, amazing the amount of balls end up in that area.
Yeah, Celtic really weak from the cross ball, but there's only one man on the move.
Dover just out.
You just can't get up high enough to guide it back down. It's right in the heart of that 6-yard box. Aribo doesn't get up, he's just leaning into him. Edouard does, but can't.
Able to deliver it again. Arfield tees it up. Kent decided against shooting. Patterson's cross is decent though. Kemal Roof tried to force it in.
Thought Kent had a chance there, I really did, to hit it earlier. Patterson's good ball in. Roof gets crowded out there.